So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Lisa. So bali ganito yon. Ang video natin ngayon is unboxing. Nag-order ako sa Forever 21 ng bag. Yung shoulder bag, maliit lang siya sa picture. So, bali, kumbaga yun yung gagamitin ko pang araw-araw. So, bali ngayon, since dumating na siya, so mag-unboxing tayo and yung gift, Christmas gift sa amin ng auntie, tita, let's say tita. Christmas, super duper late Christmas gift ng tita ni Brandon. So, ang tagal dumating kasi nga parang na-mess up doon sa address. Kaya yun, nagpabalik-balik bago makarating ako sa address. So yun ang i-unboxing natin. Ito, at saka yung Christmas gift. So, simulan na natin. So, I grab my scissor. So, yan. Ano natin ito? Ito yung bag. So, ito na lang. Kasi parang ang hirap. So, ganito siya guys. Ayan. So, ayan siya guys. Sa Forever 21 ko ito napili. So, ayan. Forever 21. Mura lang to guys. Nabili ko siya ng $9. And then plus shipping and tax, ano yan, nabayaran ko is 15. So, tanggalin natin yung mga chichibreche. So, ito siya. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Tada! Okay lang. Akala ko super liit niya, pero hindi. Kakasya naman yung wallet, kakasya yung char wallet. Kala naman yung pera. Wallet sa phone. Guidance on. Ngayon lang dumating. So, yun. Buksan na natin. So, ang dami pala. Akala ko sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, ito pa. So, 5. Total of 5 packages, babe. I gift. Anong mga laman nito? Brandon family hugs the bumpers. Oh, chocolate! Oh, strawberry twist. Red vines. Strawberry pala, strawberry. Good. See, I told you it must, maybe there's food in it. And this one. Oh. Flash drive. Flash drive.
Oh, what size is it?
Lightning.
What size?
Sorry, hold on. I cannot see what size is this. Maybe I should open it. Hold on. Where's the scissors? It's not really in here because there's 8 gig, 16, 32, you know. Wow.
How do you know what size it is if you're buying it? It's not on the box. It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, so how come you can't find it?
Because, well, maybe this, the highlighted one?
What?
Not sure. Available in Oh, 8 gig. Yeah, 8 gig. It's in the product itself.
Yeah.
8 gig. 2 8 gig flash drive.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. iOS and PC. Wow. The techie guy. Oh, she has a message. Hi tech guy. That is now Super Dad. Love, Aunt Manu. Okay.
Super Dad.
Huh?
You know Super Dad?
Super Dad. And let's open this. Oh, this is for me. Lizelle.
Oh, what did you get?
Let me. Lizelle. Happy holidays, love, the bumpers. Lizelle. Wife and mother, you and Hayden have changed Brandon's life to the best ever. Love you for that. Oh, nice. Wow, it's like this. Oh yeah, curious. What is this? Like a makeup kit? Kalimba basic course. What's it there? What is this, babe? How I gonna use this? Kalimba.
What?
Kalimba.
Oh, yeah.
How I gonna use this?
Just play it. Do you think you're gonna- do a little thing.
Like this?
I think the other side.
Oh no, I have to learn about this. Wow, thank you. Okay, next. What about this? Also food. What is this? Oh, licorice. Oh yeah, this is also food. Licorice. And this is for Hayden. We love you seeing you on FaceTime and videos to watch you grow. Your being born has blessed your mom and dad with so much joy. You are the gift of a lifetime. Love you, Aunt Munin. Let's see what's in here. It's a box. Draw with life. Oh, tablet.
Tablet?
Developing tablet for family. Not the real tablet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a toy tablet or what?
Toy tablet, yeah. Where's my scissor go? Oh, painting with light. Like this.
Oh.
Kaden will paint.
See how it goes.
Yeah. So yun ang laman ng super duper late Christmas gift na dumating. So, yun. Ito. And then, licorice box. Black licorice bites, 2 pound. Wow. 2 pound bag in a black tie box. Oh, there's a lot. Red bunch, strawberry, and flash drive, and then the kalimba. Ito yung dami. Yun lang. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.